we're deploying our structure on AWS cloud. So the first thing, go to AWS architecture, and then go to this one here. So scroll down, we're looking for Active Directory Domain Services. So this is the one we're looking for. Click on this. Deployment details and launch quick start. Here we are doing the scenario 3. So click on launch quick start. It will add a structure which has been stored in S3 bucket in Amazon somewhere, and by default it's in Ohio, so we're in North California. So North California, so click on next. So here just write, just give it a name. I'm giving it AWS structure. Okay, and for the availability zone we only have 2, so click on this 2. At least give 2 of the availability zone. So this is the place where we have to fill up our IP, but as everyone doesn't know the IP, let's copy this subnet 1 and then paste it over here. We'll change it later. Okay, so from keep here, if you don't find anything here, just go to your management console and to your EC2, then just scroll down and you'll find key pair. This is there are 3 key pair, but I can only see 1. Why is it? Because it's in Ohio region and this one is in North California region, California. So change the region. Look, it's only 1. So this is the easy step. So key pair name, create, then you're good to go. You'll just download the key pair. So go to here, I'm selecting this one, and the minimum configured instance is T2 large. So for this is for educational purpose, so we are using this one. So and the domain name is avinas.com, and this just right, just like this one, example.com. The example is your domain advice name, and the administration panel, I've already used it, so I just keep my name in this. So number of RDGW, so it's remote desktop gateway. So I'm just using 1. You can make as many if you want, but I'm just making it 1. Okay, and so next you can add tag to it. So we're just making it as simple as you can. So next, this is to review our configuration. Okay, so I have to acknowledge this because we have to acknowledge it because it will start creating instances, VPC, subnets, everything. So we have to allow it to create through our name. So next thing is to create it. Once you create it, then it will start creating here. So all the things will start to be created. If you want to see what's going on, just click on this one, and in the event panel you can see that there are lots of things going on here. So it will just notify you what is happening. Now get back to your stack. Look, this is the nested one, so it will keep on, like, whatever resources is needed, it will just automatically use it. So if we go to EC2 management in instance, you'll find there's nothing here. There's nothing here. Now that it's been created, now we have to create a cloud former to create a template. Okay, for first let's look at this. So now this has been completed. So now here you can see our remote desktop gateway is ready, and this is ready. So next thing you have to do is go to your click on this, and we have to change the structure. Remember, in the remote desktop gateway, I've kept the 10 dot something something in that text box. So now we have to make it. Now go to this, and you'll find that is 10.10. This is the IP CIDR code we have typed there. So edit this one. Without this, you won't be able to access the EC2 instance. So this is our IP. This is our source CIDR notation. So the next thing is go to your instance. Let's connect this. Connect to our instance. Get password. So choose your password. This is my password. Encrypted. Here is the password. Download the RDP file and connect. Paste the password. Here you go. Now you are connected to your EC2 instance. So if you go to your server manager, you will see that it's already inside the domain. So this is done.